Good morning, dear children. In the previous class, you solved few questions given in the book from lesson parts and whole. Today, we will solve some other questions of the same lesson. Children, in today's class, I have taken problems from day to day life. Okay. You all must have gone to the market with your parents to buy something, and you might have heard about things weighing in half kg, 1.5 kg, 1 by 4 kg, etc. Children, in this class, we will learn to calculate price of different items. Okay, so let us start. Here you can see this yellow price list. Okay, in this price list, on the left side items name are written, and on the right side price in rupees per kg is written. Per kg means 1 kg. Okay, it means tomato 12 means 1 kg of tomato cost is 12 rupees. Potato 10 means 1 kg of potato cost is rupees 10. 1 kg of onion cost is rupees 16, and 1 kg of carrot cost is rupees 80. Okay, on the basis of this price list, we have to calculate the price of 3 whole 1 by 4 kg of onion. So children, first of all, we will calculate for 3 kg of onion and then 1 by 4 kg, and after that we will add. Okay, so let us see. Here 1 kg onion cost is rupees 16. 3 kg onion cost will be more. In my earlier classes, I had told you, given for 1 and ask for many, you have to do multiplication. So here 16 multiplied by 3, it comes 48. It means 3 kg onion cost is rupees 48 rupees. Now we will calculate 1 by 4 kg onion cost. 1 by 4 kg onion cost will be 1 by 4 of 16. Children, you know how to solve it. At the place of you will put multiplication sign, and after that numerator and denominator will be reduced by the same number. So when I have reduced this 4 and 16, it comes 4, and 4 multiplied by 1, it comes 4. Okay, and denominator multiplies together, it comes 1. So 4 by 1 can be written as 4. It means 1 by 4 kg onion cost is rupees 4. Correct? So now we will add cost of 3 kg onion, that is 48 rupees, and 1 by 4 kg onion, that is 4 rupees. Correct? So when we have added these two numbers, we have got 52 rupees. So 52 rupees is the cost of 3 whole 1 by 4 kg of onion. Now let us see next example. Here you have to calculate 2 whole 3 by 4 kg of tomato. So first you will calculate for 2 kg of tomato multiplied by 12. 12 2s are 24. Now you will calculate 3 by 4 kg of tomato by 3 by 4 of 12. Okay, when you will solve it, you will get 9. Now you will add 24 and 9 together to get the price of 2 whole 3 by 4 kg of tomato. So price of 2 whole 3 by 4 kg of tomato will be 33 rupees. Okay children, hope you have understood how you can calculate the prices of different items. Okay, now let us see next example. Here in this example, Rahim has to travel 1 whole 1 by 4 kilometer to reach school. What distance does he travel to go to school and come back home? Suppose this is Rahim's house and this is his school. When he goes from his house to school, he covers distance of one whole 1/4 kilometer. And when he returned back from school to home, he again covers a distance of one whole 1/4 kilometer. So how much distance he cover in all? So what you will do? You will add both fractions, 1 whole 1/4 plus 1 whole 1/4. Here children, you can see 1 is a whole number, so it will be added together, it will become 2. Now 1/4 and 1/4 will be added together, it will become half. From this picture it is very clear, this is 1/4 part, this is 1/4 part, and when we will combine these two parts, it will become half part. Similarly we have done here, 1/4 and 1/4, it becomes half. So Rahim travels a distance of 2 whole 1/2 kilometer. Okay, now let us see next example. Children, here Lata bought a pencil and a pen for 7.5 rupees. Children, in numeral form 7.5 can be written like this, 7 whole 1/2 rupee. Okay, now she gave rupees 10. She gave rupees 10. The shopkeeper gave back the money in half and quarter rupees. What are the coins she got? So children, here first of all let us see how much money she get back. For that I have divided this 10 rupees in 1 rupee coin. So how many coins I will make? 10 coins. Okay, so 7.5 she gave for pen and pencil, and how much is left? 2.5 is left. So you can say 2 rupees and 50 paisa is left, because half rupees stand for 50 paisa and quarter rupees stand for 25 paisa. Okay, now but this amount she is not getting back in this form. She is getting this amount in half and quarter rupees form. Okay, so what we will do for that? First we will break rupees like this, 1 plus 1 plus 50. Okay, and you all know 1 rupees has 250 paisa and 150 paisa has 225 paisa. So similarly I will do for this, and this 50 paisa has 225 paisa. Correct? Now suppose if shopkeeper give 150 paisa coin, so how many 25 paisa coin he will give? He gives 150 paisa coin, and how many are left? 8 25 paisa coin he will give. Okay, now what can be the second form? Suppose he is giving this time, he is giving 250 paisa coin. 250 paisa coin means he is giving this much, 250 paisa coin. So how many 25 paisa are left now? This 4 and this 2. Total 6 25 paisa coin. Okay, now let us see if he gives 350 paisa. If he gives 350 paisa, means this 350 paisa he is giving. So how many 25 paisa are left? This, it means 350 paisa and 425 paisa he will return back. Suppose he is having 450 paisa, then what will be the combination? This time he is giving 450 paisa. 450 paisa means 1 2 3 4. 450 paisa he is giving. Now how many 25 paisa are left? 2. So this is another combination, 450 paisa and 2.25 paisa. So these are the 4 combination of the coins that he can give. Okay, hope you all have understood, right? Now let us do next sum. And in this sum you have to draw a whole picture given from a part. Okay, here in this picture shows 1/5 of petal. 1/5 of petal means out of 5 petal, 1 petal is drawn. So complete the flower. How many petals will you draw? Obviously you will draw 4 petals to complete the flower. Okay, so your diagram is complete. Now here what you will do to complete this? First read the question. The picture shows 1/3 of the blade of a fan. Complete the picture by drawing the other blades. So this shows 1/3. 1/3 means out of 3, 1 is drawn. So how many more you will draw? Obviously you will draw 2 more. So this is a complete picture of blades of fan. Children, hope you all have understood all sums. So please watch video carefully and understand the things in better manner and solve the sums. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.